everyone, I am Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And if you've been enjoying my video, if you would push the like and the share button, I would love it. And thank you. If you're on YouTube and you would like more videos like this, just push the subscribe button. Today I am working on the vintage truck with the winter add-ons, and I am absolutely in love with this Buffalo Plaid. And it went on so easy. I should have done it on film, but I wanted to try it out so bad. It is awesome. And I also like the 3-layered Christmas tree that goes on the back of the truck. Well, today I am going to do, since there is some layering that goes on top of this, I am going to use some Mim wax, the natural, just with an old t-shirt that I cut up for rags, and just going to dab it on and then buff it lightly. And this will make it much easier because I do not want this first layer to come off, to pull off when I do the second layer. Now, to protect the welcome, I'm using the backing, and of course the shiny side is to the sticky. I don't want the welcome to pull up, and chalk that on. I believe I used Custard for the whole thing. The new color would probably be Fawn, I think. And here I am with the wax. Like I told you, I just dabbed it on lightly and then very lightly buffed it. And this is going to make it easier for this second coat or second layer to go on without pulling the first layer off, and then slowly, not quick, slowly peel it back. Ta-da! Look at that! Okay guys, here I am. I did the chalking on MDF. It is a 1/4 inch. And these are all things that can go on the back of our vintage truck. And here's the vintage truck, the base part. I love that Buffalo Plaid. Anyway, we have 2 different Christmas trees. This one was actually out of the vintage truck add-on from last year, and this is the one from this year. We have pumpkins, we have watermelons, we have boxes and crates, and then these are arrows. So I have something in mind I'm thinking about. I will come back to you when it's done. So any of these could go in the back of this truck. Anyway, this is so fun. I love it. I just keep learning new things, getting great ideas from other designers and people just in general. It's so fun to create for yourself and make your own home decor. I love it, and I'm always changing it, and I hadn't done that before, and it is just fun to be able to do that. So if you like it as much as I do, you can go to my website at couture.com/Cherie Criswell, and there you can shop, or you can join and become a designer like me. Now, when you do that, you could do 2 things. You could become a hobbyist and make all your own designs and change them up whenever you want, and get the 40% discount, which is awesome. Or you can start your very own business. So thanks for coming by. Please check back. I might do a live, I'm not sure yet, when I get this done, and I'll show you the results. Thanks for coming by, everybody. Bye.